Hello, I'm Nelson Pereira from bnetTV. Welcome to the Mobile World Congress 2012 in Barcelona. And with us is Aidan. How are you doing, sir?
Hello, nice to meet you.
Aidan, can you talk to us about Accuris Network and what role they play in the ecosystem?
Sure, yeah, we're a supplier of infrastructure systems into mobile operators that lets them link together different technologies. And what we're focusing on at the moment is the ability that they can use Wi-Fi as an extension of their mobile network. So they can offload their data subscribers onto Wi-Fi, or they can use it for roaming. So for international roaming, their subscribers can use a Wi-Fi network as well, so they get a better data rate than they can maybe on 3G. So we've been working on interstandard technologies for quite a number of years, so between different ways, and it's based on that. So we started off with GSM to CDMA networks, or CDMA to GSM, and so on. So we've come from the mobile network side, and we have a strong position on that, and been able to, now we're just extending that out onto Wi-Fi and their services with it.
It seems to be your company is being very successful at what they do in terms of how to deal with this new market and how actually take advantage of offering solutions to the providers out there. Because if I'm a provider, I'll be calling your company to say, how can I optimize my user experience with my users and give them a better solution?
Sure, yeah, I would definitely agree with you there. As I say, what we're doing is because we're able to extend the mobile network, it means mobile operators are getting the best service. And recently we've announced that we have mobile operators in North America, tier 1 operators that are now using this system and finding that it works for them. So yeah, we're expecting this market. This market is really taken off generally. We're seeing it at the show this week that Wi-Fi is a big subject, and so we find ourselves in a good position. So we're able to handle any mobile network in the world that wants Wi-Fi.
I can see the operators being very happy because their users are very happy, and because their experience in the wireless market is actually very rich, and being able to provide a higher bandwidth in terms of being to move from a 3G to a wireless infrastructure where there's Wi-Fi involved gives a better experience for us, the end user. I'm pretty sure your company not only is going to offer a better solution for the Americas, but you guys are going to be expanding pretty large.
Sure, yeah. I mean, people do need it. You're right. I mean, it's the kind of the evolution of the smartphones, the Android phones or the iPhones, that people now are using data as normal. So once they're watching television stations and HD TV and the rest of it over a 3G network, it's going to cost them a lot. So yeah, Wi-Fi makes sense, and it's only going to keep growing. The demand for data is expected to grow and grow and grow. Like it's forecast to be doubling every year for quite a while.
I believe the Accuris Network represents the marriage between the Wi-Fi industry and the 3G regular standard technology.
Setting up.
As I said, I believe the Accuris Network represents the marriage of the provider offering a complete partnership between the Wi-Fi industry and the 3G infrastructure.
Yes, I mean we connect to both networks and we let them work with each other. So the Wi-Fi networks are going to be partners with the GSM partners. They will seem like roaming networks on one side or partners. So they've got their subscribers sharing each other's networks, and both, yeah, good business for both of them.
I believe this is a very niche market, and you got it down pocket.
So yeah, I wouldn't call it a niche market anymore. I think it's going to be quite a big market that nearly every mobile operator will do this. So yeah, and we have a way of doing it that will really suit them.
And they'll do it with your company, and the experience that goes with your company as well.
I hope they will. So yeah, there'll certainly be an advantage of doing it. And like I said, the advantage of us is we're well used to integrating in with mobile networks, so they'll get the best possible solution that way. It's not just an internet solution.
So I believe that Accuris Networks is going to play an important role in terms of the marriage between the operator understanding how to take total advantage of the Wi-Fi infrastructure and the 3G infrastructure of how the users are used their mobile.
Yeah, I mean it is a marriage of both networks. It means that users will go on 3G on the mobile networks, but also on Wi-Fi. So when it brings together, they're going to be good partners to each other. The Wi-Fi network will seem like a roaming partner for the GSM network or the CDMA network, and they're both using each other's network, so it's good business for both of them.
I do agree. I couldn't agree better. And I do thank you so much for spending time with us, Aidan. As always, I always like coming here to meet you guys because you guys always have the best solution, and there's nothing better than having an Irish man to tell you how things work because they have the best attitude about everything. I do thank you for spending time with us.
Thank you. Nice meeting you too.
Okay, thank you. And this is Nelson Pereira from bnetTV at the Mobile World Congress 2012 in Barcelona.